Jagjivan Ram, known popularly as Babuji, was an Indian independence activist and politician from Bihar. He was instrumental in the foundation of the All India Depressed Classes League, an organization dedicated to attaining equality for untouchables, in 1935, and was elected to Bihar Legislative Assembly in 1937, after which he organized the rural labor movement. In 1946, he became the youngest minister in Jawaharlal Nehru's interim government, the first cabinet of India as a labour minister, and also a member of the Constituent Assembly of India, where he ensured that social justice was enshrined in the constitution. He went on to serve as a minister with various portfolios for more than 40 years as a member of the Indian National Congress. Most importantly, he was the Defence Minister of India during the Indo-Pak War of 1971, which resulted in the creation of Bangladesh. His contribution to the Green Revolution in India and modernizing Indian agriculture during his 2 tenures as Union Agriculture Minister are still remembered, especially during 1974 drought, when he was asked to hold the additional portfolio to tide over the food crisis. Though he supported Prime Minister Indira Gandhi during the emergency, he left Congress in 1977 and joined the Janata Party alliance, along with his Congress for Democracy. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.